There's more. Come on.
Where? There's a whole group of them. What are they doing over here? Hey, that's all of them. Dave, that's all of them.
Yeah.
They're safe.